I had made a video about Ice Spice, and you guys can find that about a month ago. And I'm not saying I'm defending Ice Spice, but I'm just saying she's a Capricorn. And you guys love to freaking hate Capricorns, like pick on Capricorns, say mean things about Capricorns, put down Capricorns, don't support Capricorns. What is it? Okay, I don't get it. I'm a Capricorn, and it hurts my feelings because I know I work hard at what I do and I deserve way more respect. Don't get me going on the I deserves, because I know I deserve better. And the rest of you Capricorns need to know that you deserve better too. And so I just want you guys to know that, because I'll start preaching about it on what Capricorns, on why we Capricorns deserve better. We deserve better, Capricorn. You know that. I've been telling Capricorn this for a couple of months now. We deserve better. And with this Pluto going into our second house for the next 20 years, hopefully we will get better. We'll have better houses, better cars, better money, better everything, a better existence, and we'll take care of ourselves better as well. Anyway, this has been Adrian, Capricorn Tigers. I just want to come and run my mouth and share a little bit more. And much love to everybody.
Astrology, a look inside. Presenting astrology and tarot readings for all.